the Baltimore Sun. On February the 7th, 2011, y'all called me a terrorist. That's Ivan Bates. I gave Ivan Bates evidence of my innocence. I'm looking for exoneration in 2023. I'm looking for you to criminally charge Scott Shellenberger. All right? You go to Tony Roberts, reporter at the Baltimore Sun, and get this information. Asking to release the emails and the phone calls and the phone records, the phone messages. Ivan Bates, you got legal mail. You got legal mail. That's President Obama. He asked for an investigation in 2008. That's Spring Grove Medical Facility. Good to see you. That's Adam May. That's WJZ. That's Kai Jackson, Mary Mugabala, Vic Carter. You with Fox 45 now. Like I said, I was making a documentary about Baltimore. That's Dwayne G. Davis, parole and probation. That's consent to be videotaped. Y'all made the movie The Making of Black America. Well, long before y'all made the movie The Making of Black America, before you all told this on MPTV, I gave you Letters to Zion. Letters to Zion is a movie about being black in America. I got 14 movies. Letters to Zion is just one of them. Another one is Shorty, Pull Your Mask Up. Another one is Get Shorty. That's Shorty, Pull Your Mask Up. That's Delegate Smith. If you go to Delegate Smith, all right, Annapolis, and get this booklet, that's certified mailing. The Delegate Smith is using her position of power to shield the corruption in Baltimore. That's City Hall. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. Those are criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. That's Ivan Bates, and he took an oath. He took an oath to defend the Constitution. Fern Shen gave y'all a story in 2011 about the school board. It was about the school to prison pipeline. Carl Jackson seen the book, Baltimore Rewired. That toilet was artwork and evidence. And that's Rob Fix, my producer. You see that? That's the 2022 Job Out for Justice Entrepreneur of the Year, Shorty. You see that? That's Shorty Davis, Community Verizon Award. I'm an activist in Baltimore. I'm not a terrorist. If you go to Bruce Miller's page, you got a thing called puppet law. Got a thing called puppet law. That's the Department of Justice. That's Eric Barron of the Department of Justice. That's Eric Barron of the Department of Justice. I'm a whistleblower on the corruption in the courts and your prison industry. That's the ACLU, Miss Gion, and Thomas Saunders, my lawyer. That's me in the Baltimore County Detention Center. That's certified. That's Ivan Bates. That's Ivan Bates. He got this. That's Ivan Bates. He got this. Judge Carrion, Ivan Bates. Y'all got to act on that information. You can't sit here and try to lock us up. And you got corruption that's going on in your courts. That's Westmore. It's the Westmore and Shorty Show. 2023, I want exoneration. I was making a movie. Get the tapes from Spring Grove Medical Facility. Consent to be videotaped. You got to play that whole hour-and-a-half interview. The whole hour-and-a-half interview. Ivan Bates, you got to turn over all that material to the voters. You can't use your position of power to protect the corruption. You're not going to make money off of black bodies. Baltimore Sun, Tony Roberts. Call him. Y'all told the public that I was a terrorist. Now it's time for you to tell the truth.